In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Antigravity and Claude code. By the end, you'll have a clean Claude workspace primed with the right instructions so it can analyze incoming sales data and instantly suggest next actions. Think of this as laying the foundation for your anti-gravity workflows to plug into Claude code reliably with consistent, structured outputs every time. Start by opening your browser and heading to Claude's new chat page. If you're prompted to sign in, do that first so your settings and history are available. Once you're in, you should see a fresh conversation area ready for input. If the interface looks different from what you expect, make sure you're on the new chat view rather than an older conversation. A quick page refresh can help if anything seems stuck or outdated. On the left side of the screen, click the plus icon. This creates a brand new space dedicated to the integration work you're about to set up. Using a fresh chat is important because it prevents any prior context from steering the model away from your intended workflow. Keeping this thread separate also makes it easier to connect anti-gravity jobs or data drops to a single consistent place. If you don't immediately see the plus icon, expand the sidebar or widen your browser window so the navigation is visible. In the message box, type this prompt exactly. You are my AI assistant. Task: analyze incoming sales data and suggest actions. Always respond in bullet points and actionable steps. This short instruction does three crucial things. It defines the assistant's role, focuses its objective on analyzing sales inputs, and locks in a response style optimized for quick execution. If your data differs, you can swap sales data with the data set you'll actually provide, like inventory or support tickets. You can also append practical guardrails, such as preferred time horizons or KPIs, but keep the core structure intact so responses remain consistent. The goal is to make sure that whenever you paste data into this thread, Claude knows exactly how to process it and how to format the output for follow-through. Now click Submit or simply press Enter. You should see a confirmation response indicating the instruction has been received. From this point on, any data you provide in this thread will be analyzed according to the prompt, producing concise bullet points and concrete next steps. If the style drifts, resend the original instruction in the same thread to re-anchor it. That's it. Your Claude environment is ready, and you've established a dependable base for integrating anti-gravity with Claude code.